Hi, welcome to Lumerical Spark, our weekly series highlighting new features requested by customers. This week we present the ability to do find and replace in scripting. Find and replace window is now added to the script file editor. This would enable the users to find words or formats in the scripts and replace them more easily, which can be especially useful in lengthy scripts. Here's an example of using this feature. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to submit your ideas and vote for your favorite ones on Lumerical Ideas Exchange so we can continue to enhance your experience with Lumerical products.